Early bird. Early one morning when all were asleep, Slinky Malinki decided to creep out of his bed in the shadowy gloom and off on the prowl by the light of the moon. Past the piano and wickerwork chairs, he silently padded to climb up the stairs. "Meow," he said as he slipped through each door to wake up the family. 1, 2, 3, 4. He purred in their ears. And he pounced on their toes. He bristled his whiskers and tickled each nose. "Pesky old Slinky," the family moaned. "You woke us too early," they grumbled and groaned. "Please leave us in peace for an hour or two." But Slinky Malinki knew just what to do. He bounced like a ball, and he played hide and seek. He sang yowly songs and he smooched every cheek. He tipped over lamps and he sat on their heads until he had pestered them out of their beds. They mumbled and moaned as they stomped down the stairs. They grumbled and groaned and as they flopped into chairs. We wanted some peace for an hour or two, but Slinky Malinki knew just what to do.
Why did you count to 10?
He patiently waited, then turning instead, Slinky Malinki went straight back to bed. I was videoing it for you.